Hi everyone, welcome to WYC channel. My name is Rifat. So I just want to do a video about pretty much WealthSimple Trade and want to bring to your attention the caution you should bring towards, because they mention it as free trading platform and there's stuff behind that I don't think even me myself did not really pay attention. I just really dig deep and I fell on a Reddit post which kind of enlightened me, and I was like, I have to tell people about that. And once you know that information, you're comfortable continuing, I would say continue trading if you like that platform. But I would just want to make caution, it's not free. There is fees behind, and at the end it adds up to be a substantial amount, I would say. So before I kind of go to the computer, because I kind of nicely shift what I call the fees and everything, and want to show you that, just hit the thumbs up if you love this video and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Anything of that sort, that'd be great. You kind of help grow and help me grow, and that's amazing, and also show that you love this kind of videos and it's helping you guys make a more knowledgeable decision, I would say, to use the platform. So let's switch. So yeah, I kind of easily did a quick, two charts example. If you're using Questrade, I think you can use any other platform, but my principal trading platform is Questrade, so I wanted to use that. But you guys can use your own one, because I'm basing the Questrade on the Norbit Gambit. I did a video last year around that covers what's a Norbit Gambit and everything. So pretty much I use that technique, so you save pretty much the conversion fee, and I use the one quick converter with the intrabank fee over here that kind of shows it also the fees. So that kind of way you can save. I'm not sure if you can do it other platform, but I think you can do the Norbit Gambit, the other platform, because they let you keep Canadian USD. So I think that's why. So I took an example, like you want to buy $2,000 worth of stocks, worth of stocks, $1,000 in USD. In Questrade and WealthSimple, we say. Questrade would charge you like a trading fee approximately of $6, I would say. When it comes to Questrade, they will not. No, WealthSimple, they will not. Now the interesting part starts becoming more. Now they stuff becoming interesting because the conversion fee. I use 0.75 because I'm not sure yet, because I use the DLR, like the Norbit Gambit way. So I don't know if it's high or low. I would even say low. I just chose 7.75. I'm not sure if I'm wrong or right, but you rarely pay any fees. It's mostly just the trading fees that you pay, and any differential that happens between that extended amount of maybe roughly a week to kind of convert it into. I put it on that number, I'm not sure yet, but the WealthSimple is 1.5, so we kind of base it off that. So like we see here, so example, you want to buy $2,000 USD without any fees. Approximately that would cost you 2,684, and with the fee of I put approximately 7.5, depending if the trade variation, stuff like that, you might end up paying like $2,704 5. Compared to WealthSimple, it's pretty straightforward, same amount, but you will pay technically $2,725 to have the $2,000 in trading, what you call possibility in dollars US. So total fee 6. So total conversion fee, it's around $39.29. That I included also all the DLR cost in terms of what would happen if you're buying the DLR and stuff like that and retrading it. When you buy, usually it's barely nothing, but when you sell, there's fees with Questrade, so it comes out to be the same almost. And you see approximately it's almost the same. So you see here, like, you're not saving as much. You pay almost the same amount in Canadian as you would have put in Questrade. But it becomes really interesting is when you sell it, because I understand we buy stocks, but you're selling afterwards, right? So when you sell, right now we're taking approximately, now it's at $3,000, right? The value. Trading fee of Questrade would be 6, around approximately still, and this one will be 0. Conversion fee, I put 0 because now it starts becoming interesting, is because you can leave it in USD in your bank account, because Questrade permits us to kind of keep CAD and USD, and you convert if you want. You're not obliged to convert. With WealthSimple, they will oblige you to convert it back to Canadian. So then you pay a 1.5% fee, and it comes out to be interesting, because then then you're converting the dollar conversion, then you're having technically without the fee, you're technically supposed to have 4,025, but now you're gonna have 3,965. So you lost money there. So you lost technically $60 worth of dollars just there, Canadian dollar. Right? You lost it to have it in Canadian, right? So you lost it. But you could have kept it here. But I use an example also with the 7.5 with Questrade. If in fact you do the DLR and switch it back into Canadian with the 0.75 fee, you approximately end up having around 3,977. The reason it's less over here without fee is because I took the fees out, because you take out the fees of $6, you approximately 2,994. You understand? So afterwards, now you have approximately this much of CAD remaining, which is 3,977. With USD and CAD in WealthSimple, you have 3,665. Now 3,965. Sorry. So over here you're losing money still, because when you do the DLR and switch it, you have more money than you would have with WealthSimple, because the fees are extremely. Because more the amount becomes higher, more the fees the WealthSimple starts gathering, right? And approximately the whole buy and sell, you would pay approximately like over $100 for WealthSimple in fees, while in Questrade you just pay approximately like 89. So I might say like $10, right? So it comes up being almost the same. But now you say, hey, I want to go back and buy another stock in USD, right? Because I want to continue investing in the US market and stuff like that. You will have, technically with US in Questrade, you will have 2,994. While in WealthSimple, when you're going to retrade, because you're going to reconvert it, right? So you're going to end up having $2,909. You lost technically, gone almost $90. So that's what people don't, I think people didn't notice or see, because they don't advertise that, right? So you lost approximately $90 just gone. So you're reconverting and converting. So it's always that mechanism is going to make you lose wealth. That's the reason I think they advertise it free, and when it's not free, right? So let's just switch back. I'm pretty much done with this sheet here. So that's kind of my overview of what the fees are, and people can say, oh yeah, it's almost the same as you would have paid with Questrade, because it was close, right? But the services you get with Questrade is not even comparable with WealthSimple. The data analytics, the what I call the company reviews, analyze, and all those data that you have with Questrade, you do not even have with WealthSimple. It's just a simple app. Now they're starting to release certain features, but they're so lagging behind from Questrade. Like the service you get, maybe once they kind of ramp up, maybe you can consider going there, but still, even then, they don't let you keep it in USD. You're always going to lose with the conversion fee. The conversion fee is the main revenue source for WealthSimple, and I'm sure they're making so much money, because like you more you trade, like you're gonna trade, you're gonna get some stocks, and then maybe down the line, maybe it goes to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, you're gonna sell, and you're gonna convert it back to Canadian. You're gonna lose money there. If you're trading simply in the Canadian market, I would say, yeah, hands down, it's the perfect platform, because you're saving more. But majority of investors, Canadian investors that I know and I talk to, they do in fact trade somehow, somewhat in USD at the end. So you lose money. Maybe you can have a mix of both, I would say. If you want to trade Canadian, you have it there, USD you there, then you save more fees and everything. I'm a person like to have everything in one. I don't mind losing there because I'm gaining here. So I want to have like a package. I don't like over like diverse everywhere. I like to kind of be simple, so that's why. But with that said, I use the app. I like the app, WealthSimple. But just because of the fees and the advertising, I consider that kind of a bit of a false advertising. And I think I just closed my account and just took out my money and just moved it back to Questrade. But yeah, so that's about it for this video. I just wanted to kind of tell that out there, people. If people didn't know about the conversion fee and stuff like that, even me, I didn't know. I read and I dived deep a bit, and I found out in a Reddit post, and I was like, wow, that kind of opened my mind. So I was like, I want to give that out there to you. So hope that it helps. And anyways, if that did, hit the thumbs up. So thank you very much for watching, and I wish you guys a wonderful day.